Good job, buddy. Good job. All right, today's little project is to try to figure out what I can do about the trunk not holding up on its own. I got limited space back here now with the fuel cell and the battery box. The torsion bars had to come out. So I'm gonna try to figure out if I can utilize a prop rod as my trunk holder. Alright, so I'm not sure if it's going to work, but what we're going to try to do is attach the prop rod to the body here, and then we're going to put a little bracket here, and then see if I can make that work. So can you just mock it in place, Marcus, sort of? See if I can get in there. So we're going to kind of try to, we're going to cut it, bend it, and then we're gonna put like a little dog bone there and see if we can make it all work. Okay, so cut number 2, we marked where we're gonna cut, so my boy is gonna cut. Okay, give it a rip. All right, so after the second cut, that's where we're at. It's down to about 2 feet, so now we gotta take a look and see what we gotta twist and make work here. All right, I'm hoping the rod is gonna sit something like that, and then butt with it connected over there. So, okay, can you mark it where we're gonna cut it again?
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Nah, that's good. All right, cut number 3 coming up. Go again. Good cut. Okay, so after the third cut, we're down to about 15 inches, and we also cut the little tab that was here that was just in our way. So let's see how much more we need to trim. Okay, so we're getting close. We're going to be able to attach it there, and we've left a little bit of length here, so we're going to try to curl that top so we can hook it onto the little dog bone hook that we got. Okay, so we got our little dog bone bracket in. The stock nut like this guy is too short, so I had to put in a little longer Allen head, so that's nice and secure. And the last step is I'm just trying to I guess get the curve of the rod so it slides in and out of this guy freely. So getting closer. All right, my boy and I, we got it done. The prop rod works great. Marcus, you want to set it up? There you go. He just reaches in. There's the little dog bone, hooks onto the dog bone, and voila. Trunk's up. I got no concerns. It's nice and sturdy, and it's actually a really good height to, fill your tank and do whatever you got to do. So, give you a low profile view from the other side. That's all it is. You want to take it down, Marcus? Take it down. Just slides out, folds down, and that's it. That's all she wrote. So hope you guys like that little prop rod trick. I like it, so I'm leaving it as is. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. If you got any comments, drop them in, and thanks for watching.